Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable Face ID in the App Store. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments and also don't forget to put your likes under this video. So, let's get started and open up your phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll through a little bit. Select Face ID and password. If you have a password set on your phone, enter it. Next, you will need to enable iTunes and App Store. If you don't have it active, just toggle this button. After that, go back and select Screen Time. Here, also scroll down a little bit. Go to this option. Next, also select iTunes and App Store. And here you will need to select this second option down here. After that, also go back to the settings. Scroll up a little bit and click on your Apple ID. Next, you're going to need to switch to Media. Now, you'll need to choose your password settings. Once you choose your password settings, activate them. And after that, you'll be able to quietly go to your App Store and download all your purchases and make all your purchases, download some apps and games and so on, just thanks to Face ID, without having to enter your password every time. That's how you can enable Face ID in the App Store app, friends. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon. Thank you for your attention.